Hello everybody, welcome to a brand new video. Today we'll be doing FNF Modding Plus, FNF fucking Modding Plus tutorial 2. And this tutorial will be how to make your custom character. Let's get into it. So right now, the character is your dad, right? So, like, here's the thing, like, right now, it's the dad. So, if you want something different, then this tutorial is for you. See, it's the dad right now.
3, 2, 1, go!
It's the dad right now, so let's change that. So first, you want to make your own custom character. I made my own here. It's just a cleats icon, and how I made them is it's just the Spooky Kids assets, but I changed them up to be clears. So first of all, you have to I already made one, so you're gonna have to go to assets, images. Wait. Oh, why did I put in one? So you could I'm just gonna copy it, but you could just drag it however you want to do it. So now you go to images, custom charts, then paste. See, it's right here, but there's a problem. Let me show you that problem. So if you boot up the song, there's gonna be if boot up song and press 7, you would expect me to type the thing here and then press enter. It's not on there, so the game will just crash. So, you're wondering, how can I fix that? So, you have to go to assets, images, custom characters again. Now. You have to go to, where is it? Oh yeah. You have to go, not here, not JSON based. You don't touch this. Go to here, actually. And I'm like, what's this for? Well, let me show you. See here, right? So what you need to do is go here, copy this, then paste it. Let's see. Like, what do I do now? Well, it's simple. First, you have to go to here. It says like here. It's gonna have to be like if you're copying off like a thing, like you put it like spooky. If you put because my thing is just spooky but different. And this is the name of the character. So you just type your character name here, and I don't know what's this for. So icons 1, 2. There's 2 icons. It's like spooky. Okay, so now you save it. Don't close it because it might be wrong. Now I go to Funkin'. Go back. Modding Plus. And wait. But like, what about the week? Like, where's the week? Can I put in the week? Of course you can. You have to do this for both. You go to, see here? Dad. Just name that YouTube. Or whatever your thing is. And you have to do it for both. And you go here. Press enter because center there. Story mode. I must have done something wrong. So, custom characters. What have I done wrong here? So, they're like, what's wrong here? Why is it not working? Well, not working. Let's go back here. See. Trying to boot up the song. This one it's not working. Because you need to do something different. Like, oh, what do I need to do different? Well, see, you just need to change this back to Dad. So change this back to Dad. This is what you thought, but this was also a thing on my part too. Sorry. Back to Dad. Change that back to Dad. Then just scroll up. I mean, no, you don't scroll up. You see these songs? We'll do the songs in later episodes, but beep bop boop. So this is the normal thing. So you see, you need the player 2, and you change the player 2 to YouTube. Now let's see if it works. That's on normal mode too, so. But I think I forgot to save it. Oops. Back to YouTube. The week are doing. Go here.
Three, two,
and
one,
it works now. What are the controls? And that's how you do custom characters. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a wonderful day and bye!